Welcome to Adrenaline Motorsports. The 2015 Can-Am Maverick X DS1000, a turbo carbon black Manta green, is a powerful off-road vehicle designed for those who crave excitement and adventure with a factory-installed turbocharger. This vehicle delivers an impressive 121 HP, giving it a clear power advantage over its competitors. The clutch system has been redesigned with a new quick response system for better power transfer, and the CVT airflow has been improved for optimal performance. This vehicle is equipped with a turbocharged Rotax 1000, a V-twin engine, an air-to-air intercooler, and high-capacity injectors for maximum performance. The high airflow airbox ensures the engine receives clean and cool air, even in extreme conditions. The QRS CVT transmission system has been reconfigured to handle the increased power of the turbocharged engine, providing instant response and optimal power transfer. The intelligent throttle control system works in conjunction with the electronic throttle-by-wire technology to deliver a smooth and responsive driving experience. The 625W magneto provides ample power for additional accessories such as high-performance lighting or a sound system. The torsional trailing A-arm rear suspension with 16 inches of travel ensures a smooth and controlled ride, even in challenging terrain. The double A-arm front suspension with 15 inches of travel offers precise handling and maneuverability. This vehicle is designed for riders who want to push the limits and explore the great outdoors. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or conquering sand dunes, the Can-Am Maverick X DS1000, a turbo, is built to deliver an adrenaline-pumping experience. Thanks for watching.